So my latest problem after the first ride, after fixing everything, I don't even know. I can't believe that that's the screw that came out and that I have to keep tightening every single bolt and screw on this entire scooter every single time I ride it, or else I'll never have another ride again with nothing going wrong. I can't believe it. Okay, let's get home and fix this piece of crap. I can't believe it just broke, that pin, whatever it is. So we go to the other side. Right here, it's this. I don't see a pin in there. And on this side, it's this. How do you adjust it? Why did it break? I can't even believe it broke. Well, make note, everybody. Roadrunner D4 Plus 4.0. Can't believe the pin just broke and I lost my brake lever. That's never ever happened before. Okay, what I'm realizing now is that because the original has the magnet on it right there, I'd rather just keep it on there and just put it back on right now somehow. And the nail, steel roofing nail fits. Gives me what I'm looking for, but now I gotta figure out how to sort of create the same head on the other end. Kind of like a rivet, since I don't have any riveting tools. But if I had a riveting tool, this would be very helpful, so I'm gonna have to get one now. I didn't think problems like this would even pop up, but leave it up to, you know, the electric scooter here for every single little thing to break over a year and a half or so, maybe 2 years. All right, let's figure that out. I'm gonna go talk to the AI. All right, look at that. I just whacked it on the anvil over here with the ball peen hammer. That's what my AI project manager advised, and it worked out great. Look at that. That's just a roofing nail, steel. Pushed through one side, chopped it with the wire cutters, and then we just kind of hammered it so it's not pushing out. It can't. I hammered it as much as I could, considering I'm in an apartment and I can't go crazy. But yeah, that works. Check it out. No problem. No problem. Can't believe it. All right, so that's that. That's the most efficient way to fix your rivet if it popped out that holds your brake lever on. Since it has the magnet already in place, I don't have to deal with that. So now I can just re-glue the sensor back on where it comes close to it like before, with some epoxy, that is. And yeah, let me get everything back on, then I'll re-glue. And just like that, we're done. We're done. The dishes are done. Feels just like the other side. Awesome. It's actually a little tighter. Can't believe that works. So that's what you do when your lever falls off your brake on your electric scooter. The magnet on it. You don't have to worry about all the extra crap, so screw new brakes, just fix the old one with a roofing nail. Home Depot. You're welcome. Come back in another video I never intended on making.